What's up, guys? SH1 here, and this is a sheep. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful! Hey, what's up, guys? SH1 here, and today I will be reviewing the Assassin's Creed Brotherhood SFX resource pack by Samparkour. Yes, it's the same guy who made the Assassin's Creed 2 resource pack, and I'm just being awesome and reviewing both of them because I'm that cool. End of story. Yep. So, what this resource pack has to offer, it's pretty much the same as the other pack with some sounds changed and a bunch added in. So let's get in there. Alright, so the first thing I want to see is show you is the chest sound has been changed a little bit. Let's go. I don't know if you guys could hear that. Listen. It's beautiful. Yeah. New chest sound. So the next thing is the music discs, our sound effects from the game. Let's start out with okay, that's enough. And wait, this, but that didn't work at all. This, yeah. So most of the music discs are just sound effects from the game, and the music is music from the game. Unfortunately, I have my music turned off right now, but if you have it on, you will hear music from the game. Next thing I want to show you is the villager sound. Speak to me.
What in God's name was that?
I don't know.
What in God's name was that?
I don't know! Next thing I want to show you is the bow sound. Test it out on this this here evil sheep. As you can see, it's the crossbow sound from the game, and I don't like him. Sorry. And the TNT sound is also different. Sheep. So the TNT sound is much different. So let's get to that. That was absolute failure. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. And lastly, the last thing I want to show you guys is the nether portal sound. Make it. Make it. Make the sound. Make the sound. Fine, I'll go in you. That's not epic, I don't know what is. So guys, that is pretty much all I have to show you for this resource pack review. There is a thing that I couldn't show you when you finish the game. There is also sound effect, and I will link the video showing that in the description. I will also link my first video on the original Assassin's Creed 2 resource pack, and I will link the download to this pack just in case you guys are like, I want to get it. So I'm gonna. Mushroom. Glorious. So that is pretty much all I have to show you guys about this resource pack. And yeah, like, subscribe, be awesome, and it's been SH1. See you all later.